situation for me. Yeah, the earthquake thing, and seeing like the parent, like mom and dad grabbing, like holding the kids and running, it's quite like it feels so like very sad for me. First thing is there's no sign, there's no like there are no text message on SMS from like the government things, and other thing about the feeling security, because in Thailand, like we haven't discussed about this topic much, and yeah, I think it's quite like very big topic, and yeah, it's make us like very like insecure about like the safety of the building and like what we should do next. Yeah, I have learned like what to do in like the earthquake thing, but there's no like no enough knowledge. But the thing is like when I was in like one of the building, like it's still shaking, guys, and the only thing I like tell myself is to like keep me calm and find a way out. And yeah, when like the shaking stop, I going to like the parking lot and yeah, go get my car, and I drove down like the up lamp, so that I can get out the building faster. Yeah, it's quite like very scary for me. There's like the building collapse as well, and my condominium also, I saw the picture, it like the wall is cracking, like the marble that have been installed are like crumbled down. กินข้าวอยู่ใช่ไหมแล้วก็มันก็เริ่มสั่นเนี่ยแหละแล้วแบบป้าข้างๆก็บอกว่าแผ่นดินไหวหรือเปล่าลูกแล้วผมบอกใช่ครับแล้วผมก็วิ่งออกมาเลยแล้วก็ดีที่ผมยังตั้งสติได้แล้วก็วิ่งออกมาแล้วแบบหาทางออกให้เร็วที่สุดใช่ไหมแล้วเหมือนสักพักพอมันเริ่มทุกอย่างมันเริ่มสงบแล้วคนออกมาหมดแล้วว่ารู้สึกว่าต้องไปเอารถก็เลยขึ้นไปเอารถแล้วก็ออกมาจากห้างสรรพสินค้าเลยก็มีอยู่คนเดียวได้ไงแบบความรู้สึกตอนนั้นคือ